Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your control settings on the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu where you can choose from various different game modes. Now from this page, if you wish to change your control settings, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on the gear icon, which will take you into the settings page. From this page, just click on the arrow keys indicator in order to get into keyboard controls. From here, you can just click on any entry that you wish to change, and once you click on the key that you wish to change, just tap on whichever key you wish to change it into. After you tap on your desired key, it will be switched, and you can do the same process for all of the controls that are within your keyboard. You can also click on the joystick icon in order to change your controller mapping settings. You can choose your controller platform as well as the binding presets menu in order to choose from the various different options that are available. Make sure to read the controller mapping guide and choose the best option that might be suitable for you. After choosing both of your presets and your platform, you can click on all of the individual buttons and click on the corresponding button that you want to set into within your controller. After choosing all of your desired settings, click on the apply button, and once your settings have been applied, you will be able to play with these controls that you have just redefined on your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Fortnite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.